Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel, where we help you build and grow a successful commercial cleaning business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand, we provide expert tips, step-by-step guides, and proven strategies to help you succeed. Subscribe now and join our community to stay ahead in the commercial cleaning industry.
Hey everyone, welcome to my very first video. I'm Danny, but you might come to know me as Dan the Cleaning Man. I am an individual that's been in the janitorial business for a little over a decade, and I'm starting this channel to give back to the janitorial community that is given to me in this past decade. Very appreciative on that. There's a lot of expertise I like to pass along, but on top of that, I hope we have some individuals giving back, leaving comments and their feedback, because there's a lot of individuals out there that have a wealth of knowledge, and I like us to come together as a team and a group to kind of help each other out, overcome obstacles and challenges as we move through your journey there. So give you a little bit of what's to come on my videos. I will start the videos with more of an introduction. I'm not too much of a over the video kind of guy. I decided that I would do a combination of both, where I would start the video in some cases and then have voiceover in video following, so it can expedite that knowledge to you in regards to it. So there's a lot of things that I'm going to be talking about, from drug tire to subcontracting to floor restorations to client retention, sales of contracts. There's numerous different aspects of the janitorial business, especially on the commercial side of things. I feel like I can share and provide support to. And obviously, I know there's individuals out there who would like to chime in, to the comment section too, on your expertise. So don't hesitate to do that. So this is a channel for the janitorial community to help them, support them in growing their business. So very excited to get this started. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed the videos from an education standpoint, as well as entertainment standpoint, and don't hesitate to leave comments or questions or anything you want to know about, learn about in the future, because I'm here to provide that support. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you subscribe, and let's get this thing started. Keep it clean out there.
Dan the Cleaning Man has spent years mastering the art of managing teams to maintain pristine commercial buildings. His journey began with a simple goal: to help businesses create clean and organized workspaces where employees can thrive and clients are impressed. But achieving this requires more than just cleaning. It demands strategic management of a dedicated team. Dan understands that every commercial building has unique challenges, and managing a team effectively is key to overcoming these. His approach centers around attention to detail, communication, and using the best tools and techniques to ensure that every part of the building is spotless. But beyond cleaning, it's about creating an environment that supports health, productivity, and a strong business reputation. What sets Dan apart is his commitment to leadership and efficiency. By using micro-cleaning techniques and leading his team to focus on the details that matter, Dan ensures that operations are both effective and sustainable. His team's efforts reduce waste, conserve resources, and ensure a clean environment. In this channel, you'll see Dan's methods for managing teams, learn his top tips for operations success, and discover how you can maintain a clean and healthy environment in your commercial building. Whether you're seeking advice on leading a team or planning a major deep clean, Dan's got you covered. Thanks for watching my very first video. I'm excited to share what I've learned about managing teams and maintaining clean environments over the years. If you're a business owner or manager looking to improve your operations, hit that subscribe button to avoid missing out on any upcoming content. Since this is our first meeting, please comment below and let me know what challenges you face in keeping your workspace clean. I love to help out. Until next time, keep it clean with Dan, the Cleaning Man.